Let's eat. Oops. Terminating Gumball's life.
Oh, so those tacos are bombs?
Yeah!
Well, that sucks! I don't want them anymore!
I need crowns. I really
No.
need crowns.
Don't be Miss Leland.
Pencil!
Easy, watch. I'm good. Watch it though.
Intruders.
Slow down! You're scraping the fur off my...
Oh, this'll give me an excuse to use my new forklift that I'm really bad at driving.
Haha, yes, I am back.
But how much is too much?
So much that it's hard not to explode!
I think it's time to turn up the heat.